Tired of generic numbers cluttering your customers' inboxes? Let's learn how to make your brand shine through every SMS with a custom sender ID on Twilio. First things first, head over to the Twilio Console and log into your account. This is where we'll manage all our communication settings. Once you're in, navigate to the Programmable SMS section. Within that, you'll find an area dedicated to sender IDs. This is where the magic begins. To use a custom sender ID, you'll need to register it. Click on the option to get started with registration. Twilio will guide you through a process that involves providing details about your business and how you plan to use your sender ID. This registration is crucial. It ensures compliance with regulations and helps maintain trust with your recipients. You'll typically need to specify your business name, a clear description of the messages you intend to send, and confirm your adherence to Twilio's policies. Depending on your region and the type of sender ID you're requesting, there might be a review and approval process. Be patient, as this ensures everything is legitimate and safe for everyone. Once your sender ID is approved, you're ready to send. When you're composing an SMS message through the Twilio API or within their console, you'll now have the option to select your registered custom sender ID instead of a standard Twilio number. Imagine the impact. Your customers will see your brand name directly in their message notifications, making it instantly recognizable and more trustworthy. This significantly boosts engagement and reinforces your brand identity. Using a custom sender ID is a powerful way to professionalize your customer communications, improve message recognition, and create a more branded experience, all while staying compliant with essential regulations.